MEH test. Please answer the test questions to the best of your ability. There will be matching, true, false, and multiple choice, and you will only receive one attempt to take the test. Once you start the test, you must complete it. Question 1. Match the correct stage stress response system to the correct description. Energy reserves try to return to the body's normal activity to normal. A stage 3 exhaustion stage, stage 2 resistance stage, or stage 1 alarm stage. The energy is depleted. If the stress is removed, the body is able to return to normal. If the stress continues, the body keeps going back to stage 1. The hormone adrenaline is released in the bloodstream, which causes physical changes in the body. The body's response to stress is also known as fight or flight response. Question 2. A stressor can either be positive or negative to a person, true or false. Question 3. Blank is any person, place, or event, a situation that places a demand on the mind or in the body in a negative manner. Question 4. List ways to positively cope with stress. Question 5. Depression is defined as an uneasy feeling or the act of worrying about what may happen, true or false. Question 6. The effects of anxiety can include accomplishing goals, maintaining good grades, better health, and positive relationships, true or false. Question 7. Anxiety is defined as a prolonged feeling of helplessness, hopelessness, and sadness, true or false. Question 8. A blank is an unrealistic and overwhelming fear of some object or situation. OCD, PTSD, GAD, or phobia. Question 9. Blank is a pattern of excessive, unrealistic worry not attributable to any recent experiences. Phobia, generalized anxiety disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, panic disorder. Question 10. Blank is terrifying panic attacks that includes physical symptoms such as a rapid heartbeat and dizziness. Panic disorder, phobia, eating disorders, or post-traumatic stress disorder. Question 11. Blank is a pattern of flashbacks and other symptoms that occur in children who have experienced a psychologically distressing event such as physical or sexual abuse, being a victim or witnessing of violence, or exposure to some other traumatic event such as a bombing or a hurricane. Post-traumatic stress disorder, tic disorder, phobia, or schizophrenia. Question 12. Blank is a disorder that involves distorted perceptions and thoughts. Panic disorder, phobia, schizophrenia, or post-traumatic stress disorder. Question 13. Blank involve intense emotions and attitudes as well as unusual behaviors associated with weight and or food. Schizophrenia, phobia, tic disorders, or eating disorder. Question 14. People do not need to get help with mental disorders immediately because eventually they will just go away. True or false? Question 15. Much like a physical disorder, issue with a mental disorder will not go away without seeking medical assistance. True or false? 16. Nightmares and flashbacks of the past events would be symptoms for which of the following mental disorders? GAD, OCD, phobia, or PTSD. 17. Someone who is always worried for no apparent reason and may seem tired and weak might have which of the following mental disorders? Phobia, OCD, GAD, PTSD. Question 18. The school nurse, a pastor, crisis hotlines, and teachers can be examples of places and people to get help from a cause of a mental disorder. True or false?